So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vakas and you're watching Vakas Tech. So guys, in this short tutorial I am going to show you how to fix my AI not showing on Snapchat. As you can see, this is my Snapchat account and right now there is no showing my AI on my Snapchat. Right now just tap on profile icon, you can see appears on screen. Tap on Snapchat Plus. Basically this feature available on Snapchat Plus. After subscription you can easily use my AI on your Snapchat. So just go back, and if you want to check your my AI, just search here my AI and tap on search. You can see appears on screen, say hey to my AI, just tap on that. Okay, you can see appears on screen, it's added and you can easily view that, but you can't add that. You can see appears on screen, tap on add. Okay, you can see appears on screen showing here something went wrong because you are not subscribed Snapchat Plus right now. After get the subscription of Snapchat AI, you can easily use it. So friends, by doing that you can easily fix that your Snapchat AI not showing on your Snapchat account. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.